This is 18 Woomera Street, completely cleared block for sale on Russell Island. It's a 546 metres squared block, has an approximate frontage of 18 metres. It's flat, there are no trees, no stumps to remove. There is access to power and water. There is a hydrant just across the road over there, and there is a power pole right there. The boat ramp is not far from here. There's one other block there, not for sale, 18 Woomera, and then another one here. Yeah, so this is a great one if you just want to get started with your build. There's no issues with problem soil reports due to trees. Just a nice flat cleared block ready to build your home. If you need to be picked up from the 50-cent passenger ferry, feel free to contact me, Kat from Redlands Coast Realty, and I'm happy to drive you here to walk the block. Thanks very much for watching.